Hello everyone, welcome to Nanotech YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to develop a screwdriver in CREO Parametric 9.0. So let's start with the development of screwdriver. So first I will go to new, then I will go to part solid and I will uncheck the default template, and from here I will choose MMNS part solid ABS. So I will click OK. So this is our initial interface of CREO Parametric 9.0. So let's start first with the revolve command. I will choose the front plane. Okay. So first I will mark the center line from this point to this point, from this point to this point. Then I will go for the line option. So I will click here. Okay. So this one I will mark it as, so my requirement is 12.5 for the whole body. So I will take the half of it. So that will be 6.25. Okay. So from here, I will again sketch a rough something like this. Rough sketch like this, like this. Here I will need an ellipse, center and axis ellipse. So I will draw it something like this. Okay. So now I will remove the unwanted material. So I will be using the trim command, delete segment command, and I will delete this part, and this part. Okay. So now I need to close this from this point to this point. Okay. So now let's do some dimensions for this part from this point to this point, from this point to this point. Okay. So total length, I will be keeping it as 45. Okay. So the depth, I will keep it as, okay. So there is something wrong here. Okay. So depth, I will keep it like this. This one, I will change it to, sorry. Okay. Let's make it 30. And let's change this dimension to this dimension as 8. Let's keep it 6, 7. So this is more or less okay. So I will click OK from here. Okay, so you can see the revolve command is applicable and the screwdriver body is created here. Okay, let me quickly reduce the depth of this part, this one, from 2.08 to 1.5. So I will click OK. Okay, so now it looks better. Okay, so I will click OK here. Now I need to again use the revolve command and I will use this plane. Okay, so from here we will start again with the line command, starting from here to here, from here to here, and here we will develop it something like this, and I will close the loop here. Okay, so here I will use the fillet command from here to here, and the radius, let me check the dimension of radius. So this one I will keep it as 5. Okay, so the rest is okay. Now I will click it. Okay, so I need to mark the center line here as well, and then I will click OK. Again I will click OK here. So this is our body of screwdriver, which is almost done. So now we need to use the extrude cut command. So I will go to extrude, I will choose this plane. Okay, so here I need to draw again the lines starting from this point till this point, and from here I will go it like this. Okay, so now I will mirror this from the center line. So both of these two are created. Now I need some dimensions here. So here is the constraint. Okay, let me dimension it first. So I will do the dimensioning from this point to this point. Okay, so this one I will keep it is at 4, and then I need to know the angle here from this point to this point. Okay, so the constraint for symmetric I will delete, and then I will keep the angle as 15. Okay, let's change it and we will keep it like this. Okay, so now I will use the OK, and you can see the part is extruded. So we will just flip the direction, and we will go through all, and we will remove material. So this is only working in one side. So we will go to option, and for side 2 we will choose through all. Okay, so I will click OK here. So this is done what we were trying to do. Okay, so now we need to again select the extrude command, and we will be selecting this plane now, and I will zoom in here. Again I will use the line command starting from here to here, and again the same pattern which we have created earlier. Okay, so I will now mirror this from the center line. Okay, let me check the dimensions here from this point to this point. This one I would like to keep 1 millimeter, and from this point to this point I need to see the angle. So here I need to keep it 12. Okay, so we will keep it as 19.63, and then I will click OK. So again I will go for through all command. So this will be working in one plane, so I will remove material. For the second plane I will select options, and then side 2 through all. So this is now done. You can see. So the screwdriver is almost complete now. One more thing I just wanted to do is I wanted to edit this dimension. So I will go to the edit command and I would like to reduce this angle to 13. Okay. Okay. So we will click OK and we will keep it like this. Okay. So now the head is complete. Now I need to make some impression on the main body. So for that purpose, I will choose the extrude command. I will choose this plane. Okay. Okay. So from here, I will first choose the references. This one, and I will close it. Here I will draw a circle. So the diameter I will keep 2 and I will click OK. So here you can see I need to flip the direction. Okay, I need to flip in this way, and from here I will choose through all and I will remove material and I will click OK. Okay, so this looks okay. Now this similar extrude I would like to pattern here. So from pattern I will choose the axis. Then I need to choose the axis of rotation. So this is my axis of rotation. Then I will go for angular extend 360-degree, and here will be 8 total number of members. So you can see around the circumference of the screwdriver body the pattern is created, and I will click OK. So you can see the impressions are created. Now one more thing I would like to do here is to round it. So I will choose this surface, this surface, then I will choose this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so this all I will make a round of 2 and I will click OK. Okay, so you can see it is done. Okay, so now we will unselect the datums and you will see the screwdriver is almost completed. Okay, so now we need to go to the appearance So we will go to view, and first we will select this body, then we will select shift key, then I will click this one and I will release shift key. So from here we will choose this one. Okay, so this part, then I will click shift key and I will select this face and I will remove this shift key and I will change this appearance to metallic. Okay, so from here we can choose the shading, and you can see the screwdriver assembly is complete now. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.